Hi, I'm meteorologist Ross Whitley, and I'm looking at our current dew point out there. And if you're wondering why it feels just so humid out there, it's because the dew points. It's at 73 right now, and it's been as high as 75 today, making those surface temperatures feel unlike the 90 degrees that it is and more like 98 to 100 as we've worked throughout this afternoon. Very, very warm, very uncomfortable, and this is going to continue. The dew point's not going anywhere because we're not changing the pattern. Our radar and satellite still pretty active. We had a lot of showers and thunderstorms around the area today, most of which is starting to die out now with this complex just off to our west. And this will continue to be the trend over the next several hours. But those thunderstorms were producing quite a bit of lightning earlier today. And while we didn't see any kind of severe weather, it was rather impressive with the number of lightning strikes. And we could see that again tomorrow with those thunderstorms widely scattered once again throughout the area, but showers and thunderstorms isolated, but likely in the afternoon. Warm and muggy again, periods of clouds and sun, and this is just going to continue as we go forward. More showers and thunderstorms possible as we work into the afternoon. Now looking at Hurricane Maria moving just across Puerto Rico and now moving toward the Bahamas, likely to re-strengthen as a Category 4 hurricane and then eventually start turning north into the Atlantic. And as it does, it's moving into a less hospitable environment, more like that it will weaken as it moves northward. But there's a chance this could drift a little bit west, and as it does, we'll have to watch it very, very closely. Still some impacts along the eastern seaboard of the U.S. that could happen down the road. So this is something to watch as we go forward. Forecast lows out there tonight right around 71 to 72 degrees. About a 20% chance of an isolated shower holding on throughout the area. I'd say most of the activity is now starting to wind on down, so unlikely that we're going to see more thunderstorms pop up the rest of tonight. For the day tomorrow, well, right back up in the lower 90s once again. A 30 to 40% chance of showers and storms once again throughout the afternoon. See it spreading throughout the region, and where those complex pop up could be pretty widespread, but they're going to be widely scattered as far as where those storms decide to go. 92 for the high tomorrow. And as we look forward over the next 7 days, well, I said there was a chance that we can see some cooler air, but not in this 7-day forecast. It's going to be 10 to 15 days from now where we get a cold front to sweep across the east and set up eventual trough in the east will help make things much, much cooler. And showers and thunderstorms back in the forecast more in earnest on Saturday and Sunday with scattered storms forecasted and very, very warm once again as we work through the middle of next week.